What were some of the biggest challenges you faced when you purchased the brand, and how did you go about addressing them?
100%. Walking in from an employee to an employer with 35 people looking up to you to make sure that they can have a secured paycheck each and every single week. What that is true leadership. We're responsible for those 35 families.
The people that were there had been there for a long time. This is a
Sure.
55-year-old legacy company. So the challenge behind making so many changes, and I knew that we were making the right changes. You know, we network, we pick a lot of brains. And so I knew the direction we were going was the right direction. But having them believe that also was challenging.